Ralph walks his dog in his neighborhood. He walks at a rate of 320 feet per minute. He walks 7,000 feet. This situation is modeled by an equation that we're going to see below. D in the equation is going to represent the number of feet Ralph has to walk, and T represents the number of minutes he has already walked. See, you have 7,000, okay, that's the total amount he walked. Then you take 320 times the time, and you subtract that from it, and you'll find out what's left, how much is left to walk. All right? So which table shows only the values that satisfy this equation? We're going to have table F, G, H, and J. So T is going to be 1 and 3 and 8 and 10 on all these, okay? All right? So we're going to substitute a 1 in there for T, and then a 3, then an 8, then a 10. So let's get started. In place of T here, we're going to put, in this case, instead of D of T, we're going to put D of 1. So put 1 right here. After 1 minute, he's walked 320 steps. How much does he have left to go? 7,000 minus the 320, or 6680. So that's the first number. So when T is 1 minute, the distance left to walk is 6680 because he walked 320 steps already. All right. Next one, we're going to let T be 3. So we're going to have 320 times what? What is that? 320 times 3. So that's 960. So he's almost walked 1,000 miles. 1,000 feet. Okay. What's he got left? About 6,000. So when T is 3, D is going to be about 6,000. Okay. And the next one, T is going to be 8. So we're going to have 320 times 8. Fill in an 8 here. And since 8 times 3 is 24, we're going to walk about 2,400, 2,500 steps. Exactly, 320 times 8 is exactly 2,560. Subtract that from 7,000, and we'll have in the neighborhood of 4,000, right? Because you walked almost 3,000 steps so far. Okay, so 4,440. So when T is 8 after 8 minutes, we have 4,000 left, 4,440 to be exact, okay? And then after 10 minutes, we're going to have 320 times 10, which we're going to add a 0 to 320. We'll make 3,200. Subtract that from 7,000. We're going to have 3,800 steps left to walk, okay? So we're looking for this one here, which is going to be F. It's our first one. Of these here, these are the things that I want to use here. So F.